Hello YouTube, where do cracks come from in the tongue and how dangerous is it? If you decide to carefully examine your tongue in front of a mirror, you will see that its surface is not uniform. In some places it is almost smooth, while in others it is more prominent. Some will see cracks in their tongue, which can be either single or cover a significant part of the tongue. Is it worth worrying about this, and does such a strange relief speak of some kind of disease? According to materials published by the American Academy of Oral Medicine, there is, it turns out, such an authoritative institution. A tongue with cracks is called folded. Most often, cracks are located on the middle third of the upper, dorsal, surface of the organ. They can only affect the surface of the tongue or be quite deep. Very often, one large crack diverges into smaller ones, resembling a large river and its tributaries. Scientists from the United States claim that 5% of the world's population got the folded tongue, although many are ready to challenge this figure. The notorious British scientists claim that cracks are characteristic of as many as 20% of the world's inhabitants. Who is right and who is wrong is not for us to judge. It is interesting that modern medical science, which is already well aware of how to transplant a person's head, does not have an exact answer to the question of where these cracks in the tongue come from and why some have them and others do not. Could this be some kind of genetic mutation? It has been noticed that with age, the folds can become deeper and spread over a large area of the tongue, but science has not been able to obtain a single confirmation that this is somehow connected with diseases. The only inconvenience that a folded tongue can bring to its owner is bad breath, halitosis, if he does not pay enough attention to the hygiene of the tongue when brushing his teeth. Food particles can get stuck in deep cracks on the surface of the body, as well as between the teeth, and disrupt the freshness of breath. Cleaning the tongue with a special brush or scraper twice a day solves this problem. But another feature of the language, which experts call benign migratory glossitis, and is popularly called geographic language, requires attention. Although it is similar to cracking, it can already signal health problems. When glossing, the upper and lateral parts of the tongue are covered with red spots, limited by a white border. They do not have papillae that protect the tongue from negative external factors. Geographic tongue has 1.5 to 2% of people, and in most cases, this condition is not a threat. But still, there is a very small chance that the tongue is stained for a reason. In some cases, doctors associate spots on the tongue with diabetes and some other diseases of the endocrine system, stomach and liver. So it is better to consult a specialist, especially if the language has become geographical unexpectedly, and before that it was common. But there is no reason to panic in either the first or the second case. Modern medicine does not know cases when a folded or geographical tongue was a problem in itself or led to serious malfunctions in the body. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.